Nope, you're not seeing things. That car does not have a top on it, and it belongs to my guy Taz. Taz had a bad day. Taz had a down car, and they started to race without him. So like one of the Duke boys, he just jumped on in. And that guy running across the field, that's the marshaller. His job is to get the cars right. A+, my man.
These toys can get expensive. Both of these are monsters.
Tell a friend to tell a friend. From a 5-7. 27 July. It's going to be hot today. 95 degrees in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm up early getting everything charged up. We're going to the big truck races at Callahan Speedway. I even had his drone remote because I think I'm going to try to get some drone footage. Hold on till the end. Tell a friend and tell a friend. And if you like content like this, hey man, subscribe, hit the bell, like, leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. From a 5-7. Losi 5-T tracks his X-Maxx Desert Buggy XL. This is Liam. Liam's got all the toys. Losi 5-T tracks his X-Maxx. He even got a desert buggy of his own. But what is this? The Kraken. When I tell you it's hot, I know you see it. Yes, people. This guy brought an AC. I'm not sure if you caught it, but that incredible Hawk body on the bottom is nice.
It was real bad, and then I was coming across the infield there, and I barely blipped it, and it slung the foam out.
The power in these cars can break tires. And Adam just dropped straight up jewelry in his 5-T. And I'm not sure if you caught it, but that all blue Taylor RC engine is epic. Remember Taz from the top of the show? This is his station. And if you get in close, you can even see on his wrap your boy from a 5-7's QR code. Callahan Speedway. This is how this whole thing works. You gotta register, people. You gotta put skin in the game. 25 to enter, 15 every car after that. This is not a car. This is a Raminator. And those wheels are the size of your face. It is truly hot out here, man. Woo-wee. It's hot. Ugh. All right, so we had a Mojave class, a DBXL class, X-Maxx class, and finally the two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive gassers. Once you get your car into the ring, you got to come up these steps, these bleachers, I guess, get you a good spot, and then you start the race. But before the race, you got to get them all lined up. But getting them all lined up with a bunch of adult children is not always as simple as it seems. It's normally chaos before the storm. So your boy got in two races. I got in the X-Maxx and I got in the DBXL E. I really wasn't sure how to make this more exciting. I mean, these cars are just going in left-hand turns for 10 laps. Not much to see there. It's pretty boring, actually. But in fairness to all my driver competitors, I wanted to have their cars running so they could see it later. So I'm going to do my due diligence and give you a couple laps with the DBXL and a couple laps with the X-Maxx. Now, I can tell you any day running your cars that you don't break them is a good day. And your man definitely had a good day. I placed in both cars, so yeah, man, they ran well. Then after the race, I have to do a health and wellness inspection on the car. 130, make sure all my temps are good. ESC, this thing ran like a champ. 120, batteries, 113. Now, if you stay with us this long, it's only right that I show you the big guys, the gassers. 4x4. But it ain't easy being cheesy. Getting these things started and running Hey man, takes a little more effort than not. My guy Taz is eye level with the car on the ground. Just like this drone footage, man, this is nice. Out here, man, you have to have nerves of steel. All the cars do about 42, 44 miles an hour. But the key is don't hit nothing and don't let nobody hit you. And for those freaks out there who want to hear engine noise, I haven't forgot about you. And shout out to Trevor, man. This dude works 6 days a week as a manager down at Florida RC Outlet, and he still has time to come out here and wax everybody in that yellow car. Come on, man. That's my guy. And when it's all said and done, man, we had a great time. I think it reached 97 degrees. My shirt was soaked. My face was soaked. Man, my hands was trembling. But bro, what a time. What a group of dudes, man. We just had a great time. I appreciate everybody for hanging out all the way to the end. And if you want to support the channel, like, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. From 5IVE-T. Oh, I almost forgot. I put a GPS on this thing. It did 43 miles an hour.